That's America, everybody.
Play ball!
1967 Ford Fairlane 500. Color is Camellia Red. It's a beautiful car. Got a 1967 Fairlane with a Coyote swap. Performance automatic, 6-speed trans, Curry 9-inch, 370 ring and pinion with a Detroit locker. We got a 427 hood. The car has frame connectors, Mustang leather, heated leather seats in it. Got Willwood four-wheel disc brakes, frame connectors. Pretty much a brand new Mustang on that 67 Fairlane body. Paint and body work was done by Fine Line Auto up in Forest City, North Carolina. And all the trim is powder coated in Speedway Black on it. And that's pretty much it. 3-inch exhaust all the way out. Beautiful El Camino. Don't know the year. If you know the year, put it in the comments. Got a 2016. It's a 3LT Z51 Shark Gray Stingray Corvette. Love the color.
Oh, that's not how it works.
Here's a little green MG. I bet this car is fun to drive. This has got to be my choice. My favorite of the show so far. When I saw this roll in, I just love the stance. Look at that. Beautiful. Here's a nice Chevelle. It's got the original window sticker up on the dash. $396. Now this car I've actually had the chance of interviewing the gentleman that owns it. He's sitting down over there, chatting with his classic car buddies. A Super Sport Camaro. It's got the houndstooth interior. Little Maserati. All right, guys, here with Dave Moore. He's with the best car club in the Myrtle Beach area in Horry County. It's the Myrtle Beach Car Club, and they do a charity at every event. Dave, can you tell us a little bit about the charities that y'all support?
Yeah, we've got 4 charities a year we support, and what we do is at the beginning of the year, we have a club meeting and invite charities in to present their case, and then we select 4 to support every year. This year we've got disabled veterans, We've got Backpack Buddies. We've got Special Olympics, and we got Horry County Humane Shelter for Animals. So what we do is we basically raise money for those 4 charities we select every year, and when we do that, we do it by way of club dues. All our dues go to the charity. We do it by 50-50 raffles we hold on cruise-ins. Sometimes we have paid shows where you pay to enter, and we provide a lot of trophies. But all that entry fees all go to our charity. Actually, we're a 501c3. We make no profit. Everything we make above the cost of whatever we prepare in the way of merchandise or trophies goes to those charities. Nobody makes a salary. Everybody's a volunteer. And that's it. Last year we came up with about $38,000. We gave 4 charities last year. Wrote checks to about 80-some $100 each of those charities. And this is something we've done annually. In the last couple of years we've been well in the high 30s of raising money. And we intend to do the same this year.